Hey, this is Diana from the blog Liking Our Love, and in this video I am going to show a really easy recipe for dairy-free ranch dressing. First thing you're going to do is pour 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into a 1/4 cup measuring cup. Then fill it up the rest of the way with some plain unsweetened almond milk. Then you'll just give it a little bit of a stir and let it sit. Next, you're gonna add 3/4 cups of mayonnaise to a small mixing bowl. And just a disclaimer, this dressing is not vegan, it's just dairy free because the mayonnaise has eggs in it. At least the kind that we buy, it has eggs but no dairy products, so you just make sure you check the ingredient list on your mayonnaise. To your mayonnaise, you're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley, and 1/4 teaspoon of dried dill weed. Don't fill it all the way to the top though, because it's pretty strong, so it will kind of overpower the flavor of your dressing. So I don't know if you can see this, but I didn't quite fill it up. It's like a scant 1/4 teaspoon. Go ahead and add that in. Add 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Okay, after you do that, your almond milk and vinegar mixture, whoop, I'm making a mess, but your mixture should have thickened up just a little bit. And so you can go ahead and take that and pour it into the rest of the ingredients. You can leave a little bit still in the container. I'm going to reserve a little bit so I can see how thick it is, and so I can get it to the consistency that I want it to be. Take a whisk and just combine it really well. I recommend a whisk over a spoon because it's really good. You wouldn't think it makes a difference, but it does, and how it tastes at the end, because it just gets it blended together better. And that's it. I'm gonna leave out the last little bit of almond milk because I don't want it to get too thin. You can see it's not super thick right now, but it will thicken up once you let it sit in the fridge for a little while. But you can use it how it is right now if you're okay with it. Tonight we're having some barbecue chicken salad, and I use a ranch dressing on that. It goes really well on here. We also like to put it on like pizza or wings, dip carrots in it, things like that. Whatever you would use ranch for. Here's my husband eating his salad. The reason we started making the ranch is because he doesn't really do regular ranch anymore. It kind of gives him some problems.
You can tell it.
It makes his stomach hurt.
Oh, it makes my stomach hurt.
So we do the dairy-free ranch. How does it taste, me?
Oh man, it tastes good. It tastes very good. Thank you, baby.
You are welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check us out at www.likingourlove.com for recipes and homemaking tips.